In a South African safari park, a dream adventure turned into a nightmare for Game of Thrones star.
This is Catherine Chappell, a talented editor from the hit TV show Game of Thrones, on a South African adventure. While on a break from a volunteering project, Catherine visited a safari park north of Johannesburg. She and her driver stopped next to two lions, rolling down their windows to capture a photograph. Suddenly, without warning, the lioness stood up and lunged into the car. It was terrifying. The lioness retreated with blood dripping, but then she attacked again. Rangers arrived quickly, but it was too late. Catherine had succumbed to her injuries. Friends and family mourned the loss of a brilliant, adventurous spirit. Her mother said she lived a life of adventure and passion. Her energy couldn't be contained. This tragic incident is a stark reminder to respect wildlife and adhere to safety protocols at all times. Catherine Chappell, remembered for her brilliance and passion, tragically lost while pursuing her love for adventure.